Hi guys, so ito naman yung school na malapit sa Pagsinag Place South. Halos walking distance lang. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Ciudad Nuevo National High School.
Ang kaharap elementary.
Ayan, ito. Ayan. At ang harap is elementary school, Ciudad Nuevo Elementary School. High school and elementary school. Then ito naman yung Pagsinag Place South. Halos lahat dito ng mga ilaw guys is naka-solar na. So maliwanag dito kapag gabi. Ito na yung Pagsinag Place South. Ayan. So walking distance, nilakarin. Then ito na yung Pagsinag Place South. Ayan. Ayan guys, Pagsinag Place South po yan. Yung mga ibang buyer ko nandito na nakatira, na turnover na rin. So sliding window sila. Tapos ito yung gate. Yan yung gate. So, ito si Kevin Cruz, yung agent. So, maraming salamat po.